G'day! In today's video I'm just going to be explaining this little controller here. If you've got a Thermaltake Divider 170TG ARGB, here's how I've got it set up. So right now I have got the stock fans connected here, 1 and 2. These are little jumpers that can be ignored. I don't know why they're cut, but they are. They're essentially irrelevant, but we have fan 1 and 2 going to the stock fans that were in my case. So there's 2 fans around the front here. This is where that controller goes to. I have this little one here that says PW in, which what you want to do is connect that to a sys fan header on your board. I've got it connected over here, but there is another one over here that says sys fan 2. You want to have 4 fan pins on it to connect it up properly. Then from there, I have got here, which I believe is it's motherboard in. So basically on here, you want to connect that up to a particular ARGB header, which is the ARGB here, which if I disconnect it, you can see that we've got 1 pin, 2 pin, 1 missing and 3. Do not connect it onto the one that has 4. You shouldn't be able to, but that will enable you to potentially tell the motherboard to control those fans through that hub. Yeah, if I just try and connect this back up again. There we go, that's reconnected. And also my ARGB fans, these ones here, on the Peerless Assassin, the Thermaltake fans, they're going directly over, down to here, where it's got LED out 2. Here is where I've got the ARGB fans connected up. So in theory, when the computer's on, or one other extra one, you don't plug this in, your fans won't get any power. Plug that into a Molex plug and from there you should be okay. What we should be able to do as well is use the reset switch up here, and that should be able to change the fan colors. If not, the motherboard should be able to override that and also do it. But in theory, with everything connected, my power, the system's on, I hit the power reset button while it's on, my fans 1 and 2 and the ARGB fans should switch colors. Hope that helps, and hopefully that explains a little bit further what to do. And I'm going to catch you guys later. Bye.